Hey guys, Jeff at AutoSauce, and we're going to discuss wrap care today, specifically mat wrap care. I'll show you a few tips and tricks on how to keep your mat finish clean. We've got our matte mango spray sauce here. We've got a somewhat dirty car. This will basically be used between washes. You'll want to spray it down. Let's say you drive over through a puddle or it just gets real dirty or something. So we'll just go clean a little section of the car. I'll show you how to use it, how it's really fast and quick and easy to use. So let's do it. All right, here we are at the back of the car. Seen a lot of action this past few days. There's a lot of water spots here, so we'll just spray it on and wipe it off, and I'll show you how to get a streak-free shine or sheen, because it is a matte finish. So here we go. Just a few quick sprays. Got our microfiber. I have folded it once and twice. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe it all clean. Now that I'm about halfway through, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna flip it over to the dry side, and I'm just gonna go right back over everything I just cleaned and kind of buff it all out. And as you can see, the water spots are gone.